I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 92 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, so does Jacinta, and then we read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the interesting, and put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about omelets. Dr. Seuss breakfast. Is this a theme? John having his own channel on the boat. Carnival stock used on a princess cruise? And guava juice on Lido deck. Alright, question one. This cruiser loves to go to the buffet for breakfast and they like to get the omelets, but they would love to see salsa somewhere next to the omelet station so they can put it on top of their omelets because they absolutely love it. John said he can't make any promises, but he will share this with those that need to see this. From our personal experience, normally close by to an omelet station is the Blue Iguana Cantina. And they have all that stuff out there for breakfast as well because they do the breakfast burritos there. So, me personally, I like cilantro. I like the salsa. We'll go get breakfast and then put some cilantro and salsa on the omelet or whatever we got. So yeah, just go to Blue Iguana Cantina. It's not too far away, and there's actually outside, so there's normally seating too. Pro tip. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know, is the Dr. Seuss breakfast available on every cruise, no matter how long it is? John said, yeah, that is correct. So every Carnival cruise, whether it be a 3-day, a 7-day, or probably Journeys, they do have the opportunity for a Dr. Seuss breakfast. So if you like seeing costumed people dance around while you're eating breakfast, you can do it. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser missed seeing John's videos when they were on their last cruise. They don't buy the internet package. They disconnect entirely from social media, all that stuff. And John does his, Thursday videos. So they want to know if Carnival has ever considered giving John his own channel on the boats, which I think would be a great idea because they have all those channels for Carnival. Why not put a Yakety-Yak on there? That would be pretty cool. John said this made him smile, but he didn't have an answer. Again, I think it would be super cool to have a John Heald channel because his sense of humor is amazing. I'm sure he's going to piss some people off with stuff he says, but that's him. That's John. So I'm sure that he would have to actually tone it down for the masses, but I still think it'd be a great idea. Okay, question four. This cruiser owns 100 shares of Carnival stock and wanted to know if she can use it on Princess Cruise Lines. Can they still get their onboard credit, seeing how it's technically a different cruise line? John said, yeah, it's a corporation benefit, so it applies to all of the lines. So if you are a Carnival shareholder, much like ourselves, and you have the minimum 100 shares, then you can be eligible for a onboard credit on any of the Carnival family of ships. So P&O, Princess, there's a bunch. So if you don't always do Carnival but you own the stock, you can get the onboard credit there too. All right, this cruiser loves the guava juice that is available on Lido deck in the morning. They wish it was available at the dining room and the bars for alcoholic drinks. John said he was glad they liked it and he'll pass this on to the chef to see if it's possible that they have it available more often. We say if you bought a bottle, which we do, pre-order a bottle, so we have a little something in the room, get a cup of the juice, bring it back to the room, and make your own drinks there. It is a delicious juice. So, yeah, there you go. That was episode 92 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Take care, everybody.